In this video, we're going to look at finding the perimeter and area of triangles. Being familiar with the formula for the area of a parallelogram will be really helpful here. If we look at this parallelogram, we know that the area of a parallelogram is base times height, when we've got the bottom here that's the base and this vertical distance that is the height. So the area of that parallelogram would be the base multiplied by the height. Although here we're trying to find out the area of a triangle. Well, if I were to cut this parallelogram in half, what I get is that half of that parallelogram makes a triangle. And so sure enough, the formula for the area of a triangle is just going to be 1/2 multiplied by the base multiplied by the height. Essentially, we're taking the formula for the area of a parallelogram and cutting that in half, because it's half of a parallelogram that gives us a triangle. Let's look at a couple examples of this. Find the perimeter and area of the figure below. And the figure below is a triangle. We can see that. And we've been asked to find two different things. First, the perimeter, which that's going to be add up all the sides. So 3 plus 4 plus 5. Or the way that I would probably do it, because I like to do perimeter by imagine myself starting at the top and walking around clockwise, I would probably go 5 plus 4 plus 3. But either way, you can add those numbers in any order you want. 5 plus 4 plus 3 is 9 plus 3 is 12. Here we don't have units, so we don't know if this is 12 inches or 12 yards or 12 feet. It's just 12. Now, if I want to find the area of this figure, I need to remember the formula for the area of a triangle, and that is 1/2 times the base times the height. I need to identify those parts. I've got the base down here is this horizontal line, and the height is going to be the vertical line. So in order to find the area of this triangle, I'm going to use the 4 and the 3. The 5 doesn't get used in the area, and that's just fine. So I've got 1/2 multiplied by my base multiplied by my height. And that's 1/2 times 4 times 3. So 6 will be the area of this triangle. And that could be 6 square yards or 6 square feet or 6 square centimeters. But either way, it's going to be 6. Let's look at one more like this. Find the perimeter and area of the figure below. And the first thing we're asked to find is perimeter. And remember, those are going to be the lines on the outside of the figure. So when I'm finding perimeter, I'm not going to use the 3. That's on the interior of the figure, so we're not going to use that. We're just going to use the 9, the 12, and the 5. So to find the perimeter will be 9 plus 12 plus 5. Let's see, 9 plus 12 would be 21, plus 5 more would be 26. And that's my perimeter of this triangle. And then when I want to find the area of this triangle, that's going to be 1/2 times the base times the height. And the base is the horizontal side that's on the bottom. And the height is this vertical distance from bottom to top. And so in this case, when I'm looking for the area, I'm going to use the 12 and the 3. The 9 and the 5 won't be a part of that, because neither of those is the base nor the height. So I'm going to have 1/2 multiplied by my base, which is 12, multiplied by my height, which is 3. 1/2 times 12 would be 6 times 3 is 18. So the area of this triangle would be 18 square feet, square yards, square centimeters, whatever it may be.